What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'm gonna be walking you through how to pay for Canva Pro in Nigeria without credit card or without using your card, or if at all you don't have a card at all, you can actually use to check out online, and basically based on what's actually going on right now in Nigeria. So it's kind of like very hard for you to pay on any international website if you don't have a dollar card, or if you don't have other means of payment like Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency in Nigeria. So then in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can actually pay for Canva Pro without using card actually. So and there is other option as well, which of course, if at all you have access to open a domiciliary account in Nigeria, that it's also possible for you to be able to check out on Canva with your domiciliary ATM card. So basically, you can actually reach out to FCMB Bank, sorry. You can reach out to FCMB Bank, Access Bank, Stanbic IBTC Bank, UBA Bank, and you can request to open a domiciliary account. And if you open a domiciliary account with them, you can request for a dollar card, and that dollar card they're gonna charge you $3. So you can pay in naira equivalent, so they're gonna charge you $3 for that, and you can actually use it to check out on Canva. And if you don't want to use this route, or you feel like you don't have any other things you actually want to use the card for, so why should you go to that length to just for you to pay for the Canva Pro? So instead of that, you can just follow this method in this video, because it's gonna be a very easy way to get a Canva Pro for yourself. And this is gonna be the simplest way, because you're gonna be using your email. So there is nothing mostly different, because there are some people that have already purchase some theme package for a Canva Pro, and they are ready to give you access to join their team, and then you have access to their Canva Pro. Just like this page, you can see Canva Pro access lifetime free. So, and it costs 900 naira as at the time I'm making this video. I don't know if the owner of this course changed the price. So, but basically right now you can pay for this Canva Pro for just 900 naira, and you have access to the Canva Pro and all the features inside the Canva Pro. You have access to them. I'm gonna leave the link to this page in the description of this video below, so you can just follow that, and then you can decide if you would like to purchase that. So once you click on the purchase option, once you click on buy now, so you're gonna redirect you to the payment page. So you're gonna ask you to set up your account. So it's also, I don't know the country you might be interested in getting the Canva Pro. So you can see there are a lot of countries here. So you just select your own country. If you're from Nigeria, you can just choose Nigeria. So let me look for that. So you can choose Nigeria, provide your phone number here, then your email, then your full name here. Then gonna ask you um pay now. So once you click on the pay now option, there are a lot of options that you can actually use to pay. You can pay directly through your bank account. You're gonna generate a bank account for you to send the payment to, and if of course you have a Valve or Visa card, you can also use that to make a payment on this website, and it's gonna be successful, and you receive a document where it contains a link for you to click, and then you have access to join the Canva Pro account successfully without any issue. But then you might also face some kind of difficulties, so you can let me know through the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to provide any queries or questions you have regarding getting a Canva Pro in Nigeria without credit card or without ATM card in Nigeria. So let me know in the comment section if you are able to do this successfully, and I hope to see you as one of the Canva Pro users tomorrow or immediately after watching this video on how to get Canva Pro in Nigeria. So thank you and hope to see you in the next one. Peace.